So what we're studying here is the behavior of structures under fire type loading. As you know, in the recent past, there have been some major events that have involved some significant fires that have led to some collapse of building structures. What we wanted to do after those events was have a better understanding of how structures behave under fire loading and to develop design provisions that will make these structures safer or evaluate their safety in a fire type situation. One of the critical elements of any building that you can imagine is a column. A column is a vertical element that is used to support all the weight that the building is holding. So all the weight that you have placed inside the building is eventually supported by the columns, and then the columns move those forces into the foundation. But what we're trying to do here, what's different about this work, is that we want to have a better understanding of how the structure would fail, if it were to fail in a fire type event. Currently, our design philosophy is one that is based on prescription. We make sure that the structure does not have an issue. But what we are trying to understand better is how the structure would undergo collapse and how we can improve the safety. So as you keep heating the steel, it loses more and more of its stiffness and strength as the temperature goes up. If you keep heating the steel continually, eventually the column will become so soft that it will fail. But the failure is actually quite unique. In this case, almost all gravity columns fail by what is referred to as buckling. Buckling is a phenomenon wherein you're subjecting the column to axial compression, but it bends outwards. It kicks outwards very quickly.